level officers?
Yeah, I know their names.
Can I ask some of it?
Oh yes.
Who is our Mandal Tahsildar?
Venkatesh Nayak garu.
Who is our Mandal MPDO? Mandal Education Officer?
G Ramudu garu.
Who is our Mandal MPP? Mandal Parishad President?
Gaji Rotamma garu.
Who is our Mandal MEO? Mandal Education Officer?
Basanta Lakshmi Bai garu. Taimur Basha garu.
Who is our Jilla Parishad Chairperson?
Y Papireddy garu.
Who is our District Collector?
P Ranjit Basha garu.
Who is our District DEO?
S Yamulpal.
Who is our Kodumur Constituency MLA?
Boggula Dastagiri garu.
Who is our State Governor?
S Abdul Nazir garu.
Who is our State Chief Minister?
Nara Chandrababu Naidu garu.
Who is our State Education Minister?
Nara Lokesh garu.
Who is our State Home Minister?
Pawan Kalyan garu. Mangalapudi Anita garu.
Who is our Deputy Chief Minister?
Pawan Kalyan garu.
Thank you.
चलो